How to make $1,000 a day online. There are many ways to make money online. A target of $1,000 is ambitious yet attainable, if you work smart. Active income. The method of earning money for your time. It could be a salaried job, hourly paid role, or through freelancing or consulting services. Passive income is generated after the work is complete. For example, many consider property investing to be a passive income. Establishing multiple sources of income is the fastest, most secure way to reach this ambitious target of earning $1,000 per day. $1,000 a day online? So how to do it? There is no magic path to earn $1,000 per day online. The key is to play to your strengths. Invest in the stock market. Trading on the stock market is perhaps the oldest form of generating significant passive income. Create an online store. Create or source products that others would be interested in purchasing. Building an online store is an excellent way to generate additional income. Create online course content. Creating content around a subject you are passionate about is a great way to earn an income. YouTube is a great place to start, as it is free and extremely easy to open an account. Build a blog/vlog. Blogging/vlogging is fun and can be highly lucrative. The key to a successful blog is to choose a niche that you are truly passionate about. All the posts must be around the same topic, showing your readers you have authority in the area you are discussing. Build websites for others is a great way to offer high-cost freelance services. It is advisable to learn about web design best practices, accessibility and SEO, in order to provide a quality, reliable service. Domain trading. Alternative, and much less time-consuming way to generate additional income, is to buy and sell domains. Here are many online marketplaces where domains can be purchased and sold, helping you reach the $1,000 per day target. Use a bot for trading cryptocurrency. Interested in cryptocurrency trading may choose to use a crypto bot to handle their transactions. The cryptocurrency market differs hugely from the stock market in that it never closes and can be enormously volatile. Using a trading bot can help mitigate some of the risk factors involved. E-commerce dropshipping allows budding entrepreneurs to sell products to customers without ever holding a single piece of stock. Final thoughts. Many passive income streams require a high percentage of your time initially but will pay for themselves in the months and years to come.